So today I bought a new curling iron. I was looking online. I wanted to try a curling wand, which is a little bit different because it doesn't have like the clippy thing, right? So I've been looking for a wand. I was looking online, and lots of the high quality ones are like $200, and I was like, I don't really want to spend $200, especially if I'm not sure if I'm going to like it. So I went to Winners, and I was able to find exactly what I was looking for online, which is the L'Ange Ondulé. I don't know, I'm sure I'm saying that wrong. Curling wand. I looked on their website. They are like 160, I think that's US for a wand. And this one was $35 at Winners, exactly the same one. So like huge score. I was super jacked. So when I open it up, it has a little instruction thing. I feel like this is going to be a nightmare. There is a glove. Okay. So I am going to probably use my right hand. Which one? Yeah, I'll probably use my left hand to hold my hair. Hey, Kathleen. So there is a glove. This is a heat-resistant glove. So from what I was searching a bunch of reviews on Sephora, and from what I have heard, a good quality one should come with a glove because there's no clip thing, so you have to hold your hair. So there's a chance of burning your fingers. So you throw the glove on so that you don't burn your fingers. If it doesn't come with a glove, they recommend getting a glove. So I was like, I feel like Michael Jackson with my glove on. Okay, so it says, put the heat-resistant glove on the hand that will be holding and wrapping your hair. Take a small, even strand of hair to begin with. Okay, place the iron near the root with its tip facing downwards. Wind your strand around the rod and wait 5 seconds. Release your hair, letting the curl slide out from the iron. Repeat until desired style is achieved. Do not rest hot curling iron on any unprotected surface. Okay, so okay, so I need to like not burn my place down. Oh frick! What did I do here? I just turned my light off. This is what I get for playing with the extension cord that holds my light as well. Okay, so I'm gonna plug this bad boy in, turn it on. Okay, so everything I've heard says this thing like warms up super fast. So we'll see. The thing I liked about this, I was looking up some reviews. This looks like a freaking dildo. Ooh, sorry. It does. Is that it doesn't have any like pieces. So there's lots of other ones that had like either like a little like place that your hair could get stuck, and I didn't want that because I do not need my long hair getting stuck anywhere. I know, I'm ridiculous. Sorry. It's what it looks like. I'm like looking them all up, and that's all I was thinking. It's like, whatever. So I have my glove on, my heat-resistant glove that came with it. This is a super score. They're like $160, these curling rods or wands on their website. And I got it for $35 at Winners today, so super jacked. So apparently I'm just going to take, I need to make sure this is hot enough. Okay, it's hot enough. I burned my finger. Okay, so I'm going to just take, it says take a little piece of hair. And you're going to put this down. And then you just do this, I think. So, and then hold it, it says. I don't know. Okay. It's supposed to be like beachy waves. That's kind of like the goal with these things, apparently. And I did get a pretty, like I got a 1.5 inch one. So you can get smaller ones. The other one left at Winners was a 1 inch one. So if you don't like big curls or your hair is shorter, you'd probably want a 1 inch one. So now I can see why you'd want the glove, because my hand is on this. Can I just like do it once a week? Is that a thing? I feel like maybe I'm taking too big of sections. What's the thought? I am a huge fan of this glove because I would have burned my hand many times already. Yep. Smaller sections, okay. Look at all you pros with the wands here. That's too big then. Smaller sections for sure, even smaller. Okay, guys. like that one is more curled. I think that was a smaller section. Okay. Oh my God. I am like just a hot mess when it comes to this. I don't know. Someone needs to just come do my hair for me. I do makeup, you guys. I don't do hair. Okay, so like I like that. Just like very like, oh, I didn't even try to do my hair. Oh, that's what it looks like, right? But I'm trying really hard. It's kind of like the no makeup look, right? It's like harder sometimes than like dramatic. Oh, now I'm going the other way. Oh boy. Okay, do I have to switch my glove? I think I do. I think I need to switch hands. I don't know. Okay. Uh-oh, this is gonna be weird. I think I can only curl one side of my head. Okay, I'm gonna go back to this hand. I'm gonna try it again. Oh boy, this is just a gong show here. This seems like a lot of work. Oh, but you know why it seems like a lot of work? Because I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, that's why. I don't think it really is. I think this is actually supposed to be like very simple. No, I can't remember. Like I went that way. Do I need to go this way? I don't know. I don't know what's happening. I don't know what's happening here. Why can't I do this properly? Oh, because I was doing it upside down before. Oh, frick. Okay, this freaking cord. Oh my God, this is just a mess. Okay, there we go. There we go. The cord was in my way. Just things were just in the way. I'm seriously, I was like, this is the first time I've done this. That's why you're seeing it look like a freaking gong show. Because I didn't like go figure it out first and then come on, which would have, you know, been like a smart thing. But this is not a tutorial. This is a Danielle tries a curling wand. Yeah, it does feel backwards, absolutely. Yeah, it's very like beachy-licious. Is it hot enough? I don't know. Oh, beep. Guess what? It's not turned on. It was turned on. And then when I was playing with it, it turned off. I was thinking like, why is this side of my hair not curling as well? Oh my God. Oh my God. So yeah, it was. And then when I was getting all confused, it turned off. Oh my God. Well, good thing it doesn't take very long to heat up because I'm just gonna keep going. Oh my God. This is brilliant. See, I keep hitting it. That's the problem. I have to be cautious and not hit the damn switch. Oh my God. I always tell Eric I'm the funniest person that he knows, so I'll get him to watch this so he can see it. Yeah, it's definitely hot now. There we go. See the blue light that's supposed to be on? Yeah, it wasn't on. So watch for that. If you see the blue light go off, don't let me curl my hair for 10 minutes and wonder why it's not freaking curling. Oh yeah, it's way better. Okay, so tip number 1, turn your freaking curling rod on, and then that's the first concern that you should have. If it's not on, turn it on. Put your glove on. Number 2. No, actually maybe put your glove on first and then turn it on because it gets hot and you can't set it down. So you have to have your Michael Jackson glove on. Okay. Oh my God, I can't believe that wasn't on. That's freaking killer. Okay, I do like it. I like that it's like, it's not super duper curly. Like it's just kind of like a nice natural one, and then I can just kind of like keep doing it. If I want it to have like more curl, or if I want it to have more volume, then I would just go up here, I guess. Oh, but then I might have to go, oh boy, I have to go this way maybe. I know that's wrong. I know it's wrong. So yeah, it basically just gives you like nice kind of like volume. It makes it look like I maybe did my hair and actually brushed it. So that's kind of nice. Because some days it's probably a question that my coworkers have. Like, did you brush your hair? Sometimes the answer is no, I didn't. I just kind of came here. Yeah, it works really well when it's turned on, so. So yeah, it said in the thing if you like just wanted to do the bottom of your hair, that you could just do the bottom, which is kind of what I'm doing, I guess. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, you should, because it's super fun. I really don't need to keep curling this. I just like talking to you guys and using my glove. What do you guys think? It looks cool. I like it. It feels very natural. Feels like something I could actually do maybe every day. Yeah, cool. I'm gonna turn it off now for real. Thanks for watching, guys. Hopefully you're having a great Friday night, and yeah, go back and watch this because it was freaking hilarious. Okay, Hot Mess Express. Choo choo. See ya.